Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here HDJFLU. Flu Jump Starter with 7,500 ampere peak power. This jump starter is a nice power pack. And at the same time, it's a power bank for a car and your smartphone. And on top, it comes with a compressor with 180 psi. And it has an LCD display. And really much capacity of 24,000 milliampere hour. This car jump starter power bank is for all petrol and up to 10-liter diesel engine compatible. It comes with PD65, so 65 watt input and output, and there's an LED light, a torch light included too. So you have a 10-in-1 multifactorial power pack and an auto starter. This HDO3 is the all-in-one emergency assistant. It combines 10 functions: car start, tire pump, digital pressure gauge, LED flashlight, red light warning light, SOS, 65 watt PD fast charging, and 160 watt EC5 thick lighter. Output in one portable power pack. That's it for us if we have passionate about the car travel and camping adventure too. And we have 7,500 ampere peak and 24,000 milliampere hour. That's a big fact. It starts almost nearly all 12-volt vehicles with 7,500 ampere current and 24,000 milliampere hour. The device reliably starts petrol and diesel engines, even in extreme cold or completely discharged battery status. And it's so simple as you can see. Ready to go in 3 steps. Connect the red clamp to the positive pole of your battery. Connect the black pole to the minus pole, or the black clamp onto a ground area, or like in the engine bay, for example. And then go to the car, start your engine. Remove the clamps, remove it, job's done. That's easy. And with a double start function, we can push a button for a nav, so no waiting for a roadside assistance. And 180 psi high pressure compressor. And we have a 3.3-inch display. It's a powerful turbo pump with 45 liters per minute. It fills a car tire from 2 up to 2.5 bar in just 2 minutes. 5 preset modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom are available. And we have 3 units: psi, bar, and kilopascal. We can select them, and it's included removable tube and 4 nozzles. And the PD65 watt bidirectional fast charging brings us 160 watt DC fire output on top, with 24,000 milliamp capacity. Bidirectional means we can use it to simultaneously charge 2 devices at the same time. For example, the PD65 watt USB-C charger can charge the device in just 1.5 hours. 5-minute fast charging for instant start. Job's done. And we can charge the devices at the same time via the PD65 watt USB-C and dual USB-A port, 12 watt and 18 watt. And 160 watt EC5 output. It supplies 12-volt car devices such as compressor too, a cooler or vacuum cleaner. 65 watt power supply is not included, but you can use it. And SEAM 700 lumen light emitter diode with 3 modes and red warning lights. Because this power pack here has an integrated torch light. 7 times brighter than standard lights, 3 times lightning modes with continuous light, red hazard warning light with SOS function, and it's a universal use device. And we have 10 full integrated systems. Safety system against polarity, overcurrent, overheating, and overvoltage. So it's safe. It's automatic detects and shutdown of a malfunction, robust and durable. Design is really nice, such as cold, wetness, and shocks. No prop for it. This all brings us here the HDJFLU jump starter. Really nice at day and night time. With 7,500 ampere, it's a nice jump starter for nearly all cars out there, and motor owners, boats, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.